is Shirley Becker. I am a first year graduate medicine student. I am a graduate of natural sciences, which I studied at Corpus Christi College, Cambridge. Currently, I'm studying accelerated medicine at Hughes Hall College, Cambridge. Accelerated medicine is a course offered by the University of Cambridge to students holding any degree from any discipline. I will be making regular videos to show what it's like to study at the University of Cambridge, in particular to study medicine at the University of Cambridge, what it's like to live here. And in this particular video, I'm going to be showing a tour of my new room at Hughes Hall College, Cambridge. As you can see, there was quite a lot of stuff for me to unpack, so I kind of wanted to get going as quickly as possible. Whenever I move into a new place, move in and out of a new place, whether it be a hotel or whether it be university accommodation, or whether it actually be maybe moving back to London, I just like to grab all of my stuff into bags and pack in and pack out as soon as possible, all within the same day. So I really wasn't looking to waste any time at all faffing around. I just wanted to get everything done on the same day. Okay, let's get ready to unpack everything. So I'm just gonna be as I am in kind of my gym attire, no makeup on, unpack everything, hopefully scrub up a little bit, put on a little bit of makeup and get ready to head out of town and grab some last minute pieces that I know I might have forgotten at home. I might decorate the room with some plants, but we'll see how we go. We'll see what the mood of the room looks like once I finally unpack. I'm very excited to see what the room's gonna look like once everything is finally ready, unpacked, shelved, cupboarded, wardrobed, whatever the word is. And yeah, hopefully it won't take too long. Hopefully I'll spend about 2.5 hours doing it, but as you can see, there's lots and lots of stuff to get through, so the quicker the better. Let's roll. Whenever I pack, I always like to pack strategically. That means packing everything that goes in the kitchen into a certain bag or bags, packing everything that goes in one section of my wardrobe in certain bags, everything that goes in my bathroom, and so on. The first thing that I really wanted to do was to kind of sort out all of my bags and kind of put them in different corners. Whenever I unpack, I always think the easiest thing to do is to unpack the wardrobe. I feel like as soon as I've emptied the bag that has my clothes in it, I already feel like I've got a head start. Easiest thing to arrange, especially because when I pack, I already leave all of my clothes on the hangers. So it just is a matter of taking the clothes out of the bags and putting them into the wardrobes on the hangers straight away. So that was pretty easy for me. I try and initially color coordinate all of my clothes, although it doesn't quite look as though my clothes are color coordinated. I did put black with black, green with green, and so on. So I gave it my best shot. And so after everything was color coordinated, I just did one last run through my clothes on the hangers just to make sure that the correct shades were in the correct places. I mean, I'm acting so dramatic about this whole thing. It's really not that deep. So I didn't actually get to see my room before moving in here, and so I didn't really know what the dimensions of my room were or what kind of furniture I'd have available to me. But I very quickly noticed that there are shelves above my bed, and I thought I'd make good use of the top shelf to just arrange some of my smaller bags that are quite hard and firm. So I always leave making my bed until last. I kind of feel like this brings the whole room together. It kind of makes you feel like you're finally done. And most of the time I actually take a nap straight after kind of arranging my room. In order for me to not get tempted to take a nap, I leave making my bed to the last minute. Fun fact about Cambridge, most rooms here, not just at Hughes Hall College, but in Cambridge, actually have single beds. And I heard a rumour that it has something to do with kind of not incentivising students to have people around as distractions, but I'm sure it's just a financial thing. I mean, single beds are a lot cheaper than double beds. Well, not actually that much cheaper, but when you're buying enough to kind of fill up all the accommodation available in Cambridge, it kind of does add up. So personally, I believe it's more of a financial thing, but I have heard rumours that it's to prevent you from having guests in the room. So although I had plans to kind of finish unpacking all of my things, putting on a bit of makeup, going out, going to grab some stuff to decorate my room, I actually was way too tired. And after I finished packing my room, I took a nap. The whole event felt like it kind of trickled into the next day. Hey, so it's now the next day, still no makeup on. Didn't manage to record yesterday because I just was too tired, had an early start today, but we're finally done for the most part. So I'm just going to show you what I've done so far and kind of the plans that I have. Why am I doing this? The plans that I have for the room in days to come, you know, when I can be bothered. Wardrobe. I have tried to colour coordinate my clothes, going from black all the way to kind of the brighter colours. It doesn't look that colour coordinated, but it's fine for me. I can find my stuff. I know where everything is. On the top shelf, which I don't think you can see in this shot, I've just put on some lazy tracksuits, which to be honest, despite all of these clothes hanging here, I'm pretty sure when lectures start I'll be using the top section, which consists of tracksuit bottoms and jumpers only. Then I've got some denim on the top as well, and just some casual tops. On the bottom I have stuffed some of the handbags that didn't really find a place anywhere, and also some clothes that I need to wash, so some laundry. But that's it for the wardrobe. I will shut that now because we don't need to see the laundry. We're going to pretend that we're like neat and put together and all of these things. This wall that sits right above, people are making noise in the corridor. Oh wait, I'm joking. I have put some small little bags at the top. Then I've got some mason jars and some cocktail glasses, and my favourite, cold infused. These things. Oh, these things. I don't know. They're nice. Yeah, that wasn't really that good of a sales pitch. Okay, so maybe that was not the best advert for cold infused, but honestly, these things are magical. To be completely honest with you, they're a bit expensive for absolutely no reason. Each of these cost £3.79, something of that order, and I guess I still spend money stupidly. So I mostly just drink bottled water, so I kind of stock up on bottled water and conveniently put them above my bed, you know, in case I get thirsty in my dreams. And on this bottom shelf we just have some of my favourite perfumes. These are my favourite scents that I thought was worth carrying from London to Cambridge, so that's that. Okay, so everyone thinks it's so weird that I arrange my bottles in that straight line, but I just think if they're going to be on display, I don't want them to have the labels facing different directions and all of these things. Then of course we've got the bed itself. I just went with simple white sheets, to be honest. I don't want too much gaga in my room. I don't want too much decoration and stuff. So I just thought it'd be nice to have this little rug, just so, you know, when I get into bed and I step on the rug, I just feel like I'm ready to sleep. I don't know, it's a psychological thing, but I just thought it'd be nice to kind of make this a peaceful area after a long day of lectures that I definitely will be attending 100% of the time. Welcome to my desk, where I will not be doing the majority of my work because I get distracted working in my room. I will be working in the library most of the time. Nonetheless, I have a desk. I shall make use of it. Main laptop, YouTube laptop, welcome pack, a card from my sister signed Dr. Becker, which 4 years too early, but watch this space. iPad, mainly to take notes in and around the hospital. The laptop is too big to carry. My phone will make it look as though I'm scrolling through social media. So I'm going to be carrying around an iPad. This painting I want to hang up at some point, but I need to go and buy some command strips. So for now, I'm going to keep it on my desk. So similarly to any accommodation that you don't actually own, you are not actually allowed to hang things on the wall with nails or leave stains with blue tack. If you do, you'll be liable to pay a fee of, I think, £500 for them to repaint the room, which is just ridiculous. So I'll be using command strips, which are really good for university because you just have to pull on the bottom and it comes off without leaving stains on the wall. This little Staple Point magazine that my best friend Bibi Abdul-Qadir is featured in, one of many magazines that she's featured in. It's just that I happened to have picked this up a couple days ago, so I'll be keeping this in my room. I suppose as a reminder to how beautiful Bibi is. If I can find some of these pictures, I will show you. How amazing are these? So this was shot in a Rolls-Royce factory and she just looks absolutely stunning. This right here is where I keep all of my moisturizers, some of my cosmetics, and then in these drawers is where I keep the rest of my cosmetics. So over there we've got a little makeup section. Most of my makeup is actually in here. Yeah, everything in this drawer is makeup. A bit ironic because I'm not wearing makeup at the moment, but usually I like makeup. This is what I would call the least interesting section of my room. On the top shelf we just have some stuff that doesn't have a place anywhere else, including my protein powder and iron, some medicines. Here we have a drone, which at some point I need to fly, so if you are a good drone flyer, comment and teach me. The shelf is what I expect to fill up with books and stationery. So over there, that golden box, if it's in frame, has stationery in it. Here are some A-level and GCSE books because I was a teacher before doing this. That's for another video. Okay, so last but not least, we have a bathroom now. The bathroom. You know what? I'll leave my opinions for the little confessional soliloquies. Okay, so when I first saw the bathroom, I was like, this is mad. I am not too keen on the bathroom. I think it's quite small. The walls are not exactly fully painted over, and so there are kind of like bubbly things coming out of the wall, and there's kind of a hole outside of the actual shower, out of which soap comes if you use too much soap that is lathered. So I'm not a huge fan of the bathroom, but like I say, you have a shower, you have a toilet, you have a sink. All you need is 3 holes with water, really. So I guess I can't complain too much. But I will quickly show you my bathroom. It has a shower, it has a toilet. I guess that's all I need. No privilege here, okay? Toilet. On the floor, we have a scale. Over here we have a mirror. Hello everyone. Here we have the shower, and this, my dear, an African sponge is no joke, yeah? Please invest in an African sponge because it will save many lives and armpits. Over there we have intimate wash, I shall call it. And over there we have some soap, and that concludes my room. So as far as my room goes, that is pretty much it. I suppose the only space that you would not have seen so far is the kitchen. However, the kitchen is a shared space, and I'm still a little bit shy. And I don't want to go into the kitchen with a big ring light and a phone recording, and it's like, ugh, you know, another person recording videos, that's going to go nowhere. Let's just build a platform in secret, and then people can just find out that I make videos, I suppose. Well, on that note, I feel like I should prompt you guys to hit that red subscribe button, because I deserve it. Anyway, that is it from me, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be making more videos on a more consistent basis than I ever did before. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you know when I upload, and you don't have to search my name, you know? It just comes, it just pops up. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.